Hi, my name is Jolie, and today we are going to be attempting to fix my garbage disposal. So, I don't know what happened, but my garbage disposal doesn't work. At first, it wouldn't even turn on, and the sink was getting super clogged. Of course, now it's not getting clogged, but I swear it is. Oh, there it is. There's a little water. So yeah, sink is clogged. And garbage disposal wasn't doing anything. Like, it was fine, and then it wasn't. So, I have my headlamp on. Don't laugh at it. And this is the garbage disposal. I'm taking everything out. It's nasty. Don't judge. Taking everything out of here. The first thing that I always try when my garbage disposal has an issue, let's see if we can get under there, is that reset button. There it is, that red button right there. So we're going to go ahead and push it and see what happens. Probably nothing. And so we're gonna run some water in here. Flip this switch. So it's not working, but you could hear that it was trying to work. So that tells me that it's getting power, but maybe there's something stuck in it that's not allowing it to turn. So the next thing I'm going to do, I hear you're never supposed to stick your hand down into the garbage disposal, and hope none of my children come in and actually like turn the switch on. Don't do it, I see you. I'm going to feel around in there. There's some bits of food in there, but all of those little blades are turning, so I know that that's not where the issue is. It feels super gross. Everything's squishy and wet. Yuck. This is also a great opportunity to clean out under your sink. I can take a look at all this stuff that I have on my counter.
I'm here too.
This is Quinn. Hi, Quinn.
Hi.
And like, what is all this stuff even?
I'll go
I don't
under.
even know. All right, just a minute, buddy. So I'm gonna go through it and decide what I need and what I don't need and get rid of stuff and hopefully be more organized. All right, so this is our circuit breaker box. We're gonna go ahead and cut the power to that part of the kitchen so that nobody gets electrocuted or gets their hand chopped off if somebody accidentally flips a switch when somebody's messing with the disposal. So these are all the switches. And let's see, the bad thing about ours is that some of them are labeled and some of them are not. So I have the light turned on in the kitchen, and when I hit the right switch to cut the power, then hopefully that light should get turned off. And actually I need a chair to stand on because I'm too short. All right, so I'm up on my chair. I can reach things now. Kitchen light is on, and I know that at least this switch goes to the kitchen. I'm not sure if it goes to the whole kitchen, so I'm gonna flip that. And it looks like that was not the right one because that light is still on. So I'm gonna flip it back on. And then that's good. Let's see, back patio and family room. I'm on the back patio, which might be close enough to that light. So let's see what happens. Boom, there it is. So this switch, we know, controls at least part of the kitchen in addition to the back patio and the family room. So now I'm going to go inside and try the garbage disposal again and make sure it does not. All right, got my water running. I'm going to try the switch again. All right, we got it. We got the right switch. Awesome. So the online resource that I found regarding garbage disposals says to use the offset wrench that came with the unit to loosen the flywheel from underneath. This house that I own had this garbage disposal already in it when I bought the house, so I have no idea what happened to the offset wrench. I don't even know what an offset wrench is. That's okay, because I think I might be able to use an Allen wrench too. So I do have this set of Allen wrenches, all different sizes, so we're gonna go ahead and try that out and see if it works, hopefully. All right, this is my helper.
Hi, I'm Camille.
That's Camille. She's helping me out today. So our hex wrench set, Allen wrench set, stop please, did not have an Allen wrench that was the right size. So we went through the toolbox. These look like they're all about the same size. These are the biggest Allen wrenches that I could find. They're probably all left over from various things that I put together from IKEA at some point in time. So these are always good to hang on to just in case. A little rusty there. So we're going to try these and see if one of these will fit into the fly of the garbage disposal. Okay, so we're gonna get under here. Ouch, with our Allen wrench. Let's see, I can get under here and get the camera under here. All right, this is where we're trying to stick it. And guess what? It does not fit. It's not the right size at all. This is the biggest Allen wrench that I have, so it's definitely too loose. So we're gonna have to go on to plan B.
Okay, we're trying to fix our garbage disposal, and we're trying to work on it. The Allen wrench was it didn't fit.
Okay, so the website that I'm taking a look at for reference is called thespruce.com. If you want like step-by-step instructions and diagnosis information, it seems like a pretty helpful website to me, so that's what I'm going off of. We did not find an Allen wrench that is big enough to fit in the flywheel at the bottom of the disposal. So what thespruce.com recommends trying next is sticking the handle of a large spoon down inside the drain part of the disposal to see if you can dislodge whatever might be clogged in there or stuck in there. It could be a bone, it could be something else, who knows. So I'm actually going to try my hand first. If you are interested in knowing the different parts, there are some good websites that have diagrams of garbage disposals that make it a little bit easier to know like what we're talking about and what we're looking at. All right, so I'm going to stick my hand down there and see what happens. The little blade parts that turn, I think those are called compellers. And then the flywheel is like the base part that they're kind of attached to. And both of those things should turn. So I'm gonna kind of grip those compellers between my thumb and my forefinger and see if I can turn it. Oh, you know what? I think I got it. I think I got it. Let me try that. Okay, so you can hear my daughter doing cartwheels in the living room. You can hear these compellers turning, but I think I got the flywheel. That's moving too. It's not moving great, but it is moving a little bit. So I wonder if we got it. It's clockwise. It's moving pretty good, turning pretty well. And I don't know which way it turns once you have it on. I have no idea. Let's see. Try turning it the other way. We might have done it, friends. All right. Let's see. Let's turn the power back on. We'll wash all the nastiness off my hands. Super gross. Let's go turn the power back on and see what happens. All right, if you remember, we turned the power off, and this switch right here is in the off position. See, it says off right over here, so we know it's off. Turn it back on. We heard it trip. We see that our kitchen light is back on, so we know that that worked. I'm gonna lower this. Ooh, that's a horrible sound. Eee, that was terrible. And go back in and see what happens with the garbage disposal. All right, moment of truth. Camille's gonna do the honor. She's gonna flip the switch for us and see what happens. Go ahead and turn the water on and flip the switch.
This?
Yep. Yeah, we did it!
We did it!
Amazing, amazing! Good job, Camille. We did it together. Awesome! So I am super excited that we were able to fix our garbage disposal. It has been stuck like that for at least a week, and it kept getting clogged, and I had to keep sticking my hand down there and clean out all that nasty food, and it was disgusting, and I feel so much better that now we won't have to keep doing that. So great job. Camille, did you want to say something?
We fixed it.
We fixed it. Women fixing shit. Yeah.